This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research, looking at Taiwan, which has the highest dividend yield and highest risk in Asia. Let's first start off with the GDP, and what we can see is that it's a very slow growth economy right now. The main driver is private consumption. So of the 0.5% growth that the country had, 1.35 was driven by private consumption, but that was dragged down by exports, and we can see that net exports were at 1.1% negative, so getting hit right now. This improved to slightly positive from negative GDP growth as of second quarter 2016. So let's look at the overall market, and what we can see is, first of all, population is about 23 million people. GDP is about 524 billion, and per capita GDP is 22,000 US dollars. Market cap is getting close to 1 trillion US dollars, and the market volume is about 2.7 billion US dollars. Listed companies, well, there's 1,859 listed companies in Taiwan. The 2017 consensus estimate shows price to book is slightly above the Asia ex-Japan average, and that's about in line with its ROE of about 12%. It's got the highest dividend yield in Asia at about a little bit over 4% for 2017. So let's look at our four elements and understand what's going on. First of all, overall, it's slightly below average. Let's call it moderate for overall. And ROE is above the Asia ex-Japan average, so fundamentals slightly better than average. Valuation are good due to relatively low price to book and the highest dividend yield in Asia. And momentum is moderate due to good price momentum that's happening in the market. And risk is low, meaning low score, meaning close to worst in Asia. This is due to high beta and a high volatility. Finally, let's look at the breakdown of the overall market, and what we can see is the top three largest sector. Well, infotech is 46% of the market, financials 3%, and materials 11%. The best stock and the best sector, well, energy and Formosa Petrochemical Group, both of these were up by 15%. The worst sector was healthcare, down by 8%, and OBI Pharma was down 35%. To get access to additional research and articles, join our free newsletter at becomeabetterinvestor.net/join. See you there.